Welcome to our programming channel. Today we will see create HTML in Visual Studio. File, new website. ASP.NET empty website. Website 1. We will save this website in websites folder which is present in Documents Visual Studio 2015, or with Browse button we can create folder on C, D or E drive and save website. Website 1, or we can give any name. HTML in Visual Studio. So HTML in VS. Click OK. Now in Solution Explorer, here we can see this website, and here we can add one or more pages. Right click on website, add. This is HTML page and we can directly select this HTML page. Select this HTML page. We can see item name HTML page. We can change this name and click OK or Ctrl Z. Keep the previous name for this page and click OK. So this is HTML page, and we can write code for this HTML page here. Close this, or right click, add, select add new item. Here we can see HTML page, JavaScript file, style sheet, web form and other pages also. Select this HTML page. Now name is HTML page 2.html. We can change this name or we can give any name. So here welcome.html. Click add. Now we will write code for this HTML page. We can run this website from here. We can see Google Chrome here, and also we can select Internet Explorer Microsoft Edge or any browser. So select Google Chrome and click on Google Chrome. Page is welcome.html and on tab also welcome.html. So give title HTML example and save, refresh. Now we can see title on tab. Now we will write code in body tag. H1 Welcome to HTML in Visual Studio. Save, refresh. This is heading Welcome to HTML in Visual Studio. We can use other tags also. P tag. This is HTML page. BR tag. In this way, we can create HTML page in Visual Studio. Here we have used P tag with BR tag. Save, refresh. So now we can see heading and paragraph with line break. In website, select start options. Use current page. Click apply. OK. Currently we are on welcome.html page. So current page is welcome.html, and if we run or click on Google Chrome, we can see welcome.html page. And again website, start options. If we select specific page, here we can see HTML page.html, welcome.html. So if we select HTML page.html, click OK, apply, OK. Now current page is welcome.html, but we have selected specific page, and this specific page is HTML page.html. So Now here we can see HTML page.html. In this way, we can select start action or we can set start page. And also we can see selected page in browser. We can select any page and view in browser, browse with. Here also we can select Google Chrome, Internet web browser, Internet Explorer, Microsoft Edge, or can select any browser. So if we select this page and view in browser, we can see blank page because we have no code in this page, that is in HTML page.html. And also select welcome.html and view in browser and can see heading and paragraph. Similar result like previous. When we clicked on Google Chrome. That's all for Create HTML in Visual Studio. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel and like and share videos. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.